Ever wonder how the universe's smallest superstar affects your everyday life? Or how elements combine to form the world around us? Then keep watching.
All right, folks, get ready for a grand slam of science. We're here live at the incredible H Stadium, the ultimate home turf for our star player, Hydrogen. The energy in this arena is absolutely electric tonight.
And here he comes, folks, floating in from the far reaches of the cosmos. Number one on the roster, the lightest element on the board, Hydrogen. He's gracefully passing by those sleek, transparent hydrogen fuel cell cars parked outside the main entrance. What a confident approach!
And now, a brilliant display of Hydrogen's true potential. He glides into the hallway, and with a focused pulse of energy, he activates the lights. This is how Hydrogen delivers clean power, illuminating the very pathway ahead.
Talk about immediate impact, folks. Our star player delivering energy on demand. That's zero-emission brilliance right there, lighting up the entire facility. What a play. From power generation to culinary chemistry, Hydrogen is now in the kitchen. A clean, modern lab, if you will. He's approaching that beaker of liquid oil, ready for a fundamental chemical transformation.
And watch this, folks. As hydrogen interacts, those liquid molecules are getting packed tight, transforming into a solid. That's hydrogenation in action. Who knew chemistry could make your breakfast spread so smooth?
Now, switching gears to the game room. This is where Hydrogen truly finds his competitive edge. He's lining up for a precision shot on the mini golf course, getting ready to make his mark on the big board.
And he gives it an energetic nudge. Whoa, that's a power shot, folks. A dazzling display of kinetic energy from our atom. That ball is flying.
And that ball, representing our hydrogen atom, is heading straight for the ultimate scoreboard, the periodic table of the elements. It finds its precise spot right there in the top left corner, position number 1.
He sticks the landing, folks. Number 1 on the board. This isn't just a place, it's a statement. First element, simplest structure, and that glowing 1 confirms his single valence electron, always ready to bond.
What a journey so far. Our blue hydrogen atom is now gracefully ascending the luminous, transparent staircase, moving through the very heart of the H building.
He's floating effortlessly upwards, folks. A testament to his lightness and gaseous nature.
And he arrives, gliding smoothly onto the luminous dance floor of this spectacular rooftop ballroom. The cosmic backdrop reminds us of his origins, truly a universal player on a grand stage.
Our blue hydrogen is ready for the next big interaction, poised for action in this incredible environment.
But hold on a moment. We have a new entry on the dance floor. Another hydrogen atom, identical in its core, but sporting a distinctive pale green hue. This signals his isotopic nature, or perhaps a different origin, ready to join the game.
A strategic introduction. 2 hydrogen atoms on the field now, blue and green. This is setting up to be a classic matchup, folks, as these fundamental units prepare to interact.
And there it is. The 2 hydrogen atoms, blue and green, are drawn together. Their electron orbits interlink, forming a shared bond. This is a covalent connection, folks, creating the stable diatomic hydrogen molecule, H2.
They've teamed up. A perfect partnership, sharing those electrons just like teammates share a championship trophy. H2 is on the board.
For the grand finale of this molecular ballet, here comes oxygen, a powerhouse atom, ready to make a triple play with our 2 hydrogen atoms.
And watch how they move. Oxygen, reaching out, forming bonds with both hydrogens. They're combining, folks, sharing electrons in a precise V-shaped formation. That's H2O in the making, the ultimate molecule, water. What a truly fundamental formation, right before our eyes.
And that, folks, wraps up a truly fundamental play from Hydrogen. What a performance by the universe's first element.
An absolute gem of a game from start to finish. But the season's just beginning. Make sure you subscribe to Lauren Labs so you don't miss a single inning as the rest of the periodic table elements step up to the plate.